Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? This is something that I don't talk about that much, but I am so excited to show you guys. I am looking for 10 ladies that really have been watching my journey and are like, hey, that's something I can do, because you can. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what comes in this kit when you get your Younique Presenters Kit. I'm looking for 10 ladies to join me to be my next March class of 2019. I'm going to train you with everything you know. So number one, you do not have to know how to put on makeup. If you think that I'm a makeup artist, I'm not. Definitely not. I have just been self-taught, and also Younique gives us the training that we need. And if you don't think you know how to sell, well, we're not selling, we're sharing products that we love, and we also train you and help you find ways to share those products that you love with your friends. So this entire process comes with all the training that you need, not only with me personally, but you also are going to get training with my entire team of 65 ladies, and then my entire large tree of over 2,000 women. So if you're looking for fun, friendship, and great products, and also to make extra money, because aren't we all looking to make that extra money? You guys are already doing it. When I see all of you doing it already. When you are scrolling through Facebook, I see all these people saying, oh, I love this beautiful purse I got. Oh, I love this dress or this shirt. They're not paying you to say that. So it's about time you get paid for the products that you're already using from me anyway, okay? So let's go over exactly what is in this presenter's kit. You are going to get this huge purple, beautiful bag, okay? And it has all these pockets. A lot of my girls use it as diaper bags. If you have little ones, you can use it as a gym bag. So you're gonna have all of your products in this bag, okay? And if you're watching this and this may not be for you, share this with your friends, because I'm looking for 10 ladies. So this may be some of your friends if it's not you. So please share my video, and let me show you what's all in this bag, okay? First, you are going to get samples of every shade of our liquid foundation. I have it on right now. It is Photoshop in a bottle. I have about 5 breakouts right now on my face, and this cleared it all up, okay? You're gonna get samples of the Photoshop in a bottle. You are going to get an entire quad palette worth over $52. Okay, so already this plus this is $39, this is $52. You've already basically paid for your kit and 2 products, but watch what else you get. You get this entire quad palette, okay? Magnetic, you can interchange these. They pop out. Primer infused eyeshadows. You're going to get the fluffy crease brush. So if you do not have eyeshadows, now you have eyeshadow and a brush. So you're gonna get that in your bag. You're going to get a cream shadow brush and a cream shadow. If you've never used these cream shadows, you have to try it. You're going to get this really pretty color in here, and you're going to get the cream shadow brush that goes with it. So there's another eyeshadow combination, okay? You can basically do a full face with everything that's in this bag, okay? So you have that to start out with to start your business, or you could just take this kit and then use it to get your products at your discount. So there's a lot of different ways to build this business, but I'm looking for 10 ladies that want to do this, okay? If it's not you, please share, so then maybe there's somebody else that you know that does. You are going to get a powder luminizer. So a luminizer is what's going to highlight right here on your face. And let me show you guys. You're going to get a powder luminizer in Benevolent. This one's my color right here. So you're going to get that powder luminizer. You are going to get Splash liquid lipstick, and that's what I have on right now. It is a matte color. And you're going to get that on. You're going to get this Splash liquid lipstick. You're also going to get a lip gloss. So if you aren't really feeling that matte one day, you can use that lip gloss, okay? You're also going to get a dip and draw eyeliner. Black dip and draw eyeliner. Everybody needs this in their makeup kit, okay? You're going to get a black dip and draw eyeliner, so you're going to be able to do a whole eye look. The eyes, the eyeshadow, the cream shadow. Here's what's going to complete your kit and your eye look. You are going to get some of our favorite products. This is a lash serum. You're going to put this on morning and night. It's going to help your lashes grow long and beautiful. So you're going to get this lash serum, okay? Your natural lashes are going to be amazing using this makeup, because you're also going to get the Epic mascara. You're going to get regular and waterproof. So you can use the regular when you want, the waterproof when you want, and this is going to help promote your business. So everything in this kit is only $99, and if you were to pay for this outright, it'd be over $350. So it really makes perfect sense to go ahead and get this presenter's kit and see where it's going to take you. There is no obligation. I'm not going to hunt you down and make you work your business. This is your business to run how you want, but you are going to get all the help from me. You're going to get all the help from my team. And like I said, my large team of over 2,000 women. So it's 2,000 built-in best friends. They're going to help you work this business and going to help you be the best person you can be, make some extra money, meet some friends along the way. You never know where this is going to take you. I say to people, let's start out as a little side hustle, make some extra money, see where this can go. But quite honestly, most of these people that join these business wound up having as their full time because they're able to quit their day jobs. You know, I mean, it's not something that I'm going to tell you is going to happen overnight. I'm a pretty realistic leader. You got to put in the work to make it work, but this is how you start the work, is by you make this investment in yourself. For $99, you get a bunch of makeup. So worst comes to worst, you have a bunch of makeup, okay? So if anything, you can use it for the discount. If you really want to start working, maybe you can have this as a full-time job. Who wouldn't love to be a beauty blogger? Talk to your friends, help them with products, share the product, and make some extra money, right? It is a win-win, and it is a no-brainer. So share this video, please, because you never know any of your friends. You get this bag too. So at the end of the day, you're gonna get a nice, pretty bag. So thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to share this and get your kit. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.